Every year, e-commerce stores worldwide lose billions of dollars to fraudulent activity, fake orders, card testing attacks, and chargebacks. Fraud remains one of the biggest hidden threats in online business today. These factors silently drain on your revenue and trust. To avoid losing revenue to fraudulent orders, use Anti-Fraud for WooCommerce. This extension protects your business by screening orders against multiple fraud indicators. To add Enable Fraud Detection Mechanism, go to WooCommerce, click on Anti-Fraud Shield, and click on Add New Rule to create a new rule. If you wish to modify an existing rule, select that rule instead. Let's see how rule settings work. Start by selecting the user roles where this rule should be applied. If you leave the field blank, the rule will automatically apply to all roles. Tick the box if the rule should apply to all products and categories. If not, manually pick the specific products or categories where the rule must be enforced. Fraud Indicator 1. Choose the countries you want to mark as unsafe. Assign a threat score ranging from 1 to 10. A threat score is a numerical rating that measures the risk level of an order or customer activity. It typically ranges from 1 to 10, where lower scores indicate safe transactions and higher scores signal potential fraud. Next, decide which fraud indicators you'd like to activate. Fraud Indicator 2. Difference in store country and order country. This indicator flags orders placed from a country different than your store's base country. Fraud Indicator 3. Difference between billing and shipping country. Detects when the billing address doesn't match the shipping destination. Fraud Indicator 4. Difference in IP country and shipping country. Highlights orders where the customer's IP location is different from their shipping address. Fraud Indicator 5. IP versus. Proxy. Identifies users trying to hide their real location by using a proxy or VPN. Add the suspicious domains you want to block. This prevents customers from placing orders with addresses from these domains. For multiple entries, separate each domain with a comma, e.g. spammail.com, fakeemail.net, testdomain.org. Blocking domains is useful for filtering out temporary or fraudulent email providers often used in suspicious orders. Enable PayPal email verification for unverified addresses. Turn on First Order Check to raise a risk flag for first-time buyers. Enable and configure time-based settings and threat score for order duplication within certain period, rapid order generation. Activate order cancellations by customer to flag users who frequently cancel orders. Apply restrictions based on order subtotal or quantity limits. Enable high-price product and set a price threshold to trigger warnings for expensive items. Select the payment methods where these rules should be enforced. Define low, medium, and high-risk thresholds with their respective percentages. By default, threshold percentages are already set. Low risk, 1% to 40%. Medium risk, 41% to 79%. High risk, 80% to 100%. Now, choose the action for each risk level. Reject order. Automatically, the system blocks the order without processing. Accept order and notify admin. The order goes through, but the admin is alerted. Accept order and change status. The order is accepted and its status is updated. Select the desired status from the drop-down menu. Assign the appropriate order statuses for each risk level. Write a custom error message that will display to users when an order is restricted. General Settings. Go to Settings. Select Anti-Fraud Shield. Click on General Settings. Enter the email domains you want to block. Choose the method for IP blocking and add specific IPs or IP ranges. Add the address block words you wish to restrict. Use commas to separate multiple entries. Enable automatic blacklisting for restricted addresses. In the address block section, you can block entries by address, city, postcode, country code, or state or province. You also have the option to add or remove addresses as needed. Click Save Changes. Email settings. Now move to email settings and decide which options to enable. Attach risk report. With every new order email, notify admin separately of high-risk orders. Click Save Changes. ReCAPTCHA. Choose the type of CAPTCHA. Image or Google reCAPTCHA in reCAPTCHA section. Enable IP quality score to block users with invalid emails. Turn on Social Scanner to restrict users with poor social reputation scores. Click Save Changes. Fraud Detection Log now. Go to the Fraud Detection Log. Whenever a customer triggers a restriction, the system blocks their order and records the details, showing user ID, email, block score, reason, and the action taken.